Hey guys, today we're gonna do part 2 of our tile shingle recomposition to install our solar panels. So without further ado, let's do this. Oh, this is part 2. On our previous video, we started from the left and we've had all this progress since. These are some of the tiles that were broken. We can salvage a few of these tiles because we can still cut. If we have about half or a third of the 18-inch tile, these are all the tiles still on the roof that we're able to salvage. And for those of you who didn't see our part 1 video, we are removing the existing tile to recomp the roof underneath the solar panels. Got my hard hat on. You're below this area. Just be careful for any debris to fall on top. Can I go up the escalator? Escalator? Okay. Oh. Always check above you. Make sure that there isn't anything that will go over your head. And here's what we're looking at. Underneath these tile is paper. Looks like it's 30-pound paper. So we can see that there are holes, penetrations on this paper. These are the cap nails. Hey Mika, do you know how many pounds is the paper? Is it 30? 40? It's 40-pound paper. Oh, if ever the tiles are compromised, this is what's beneath the tile. And you can see that there are penetrations, and these penetrations are due to these nails that are on to secure the tiles. And our goal is to remove the area, remove the tiles that are in the area where the panels are going to be. So we didn't fully remove all the tiles because of the 3 feet ridge. It's unnecessary to remove anything that's any area that we're not going to be installing panels. So these are the dirt, so we're sweeping this up. And what we're looking for is the paper. It looks good, and we are going to be putting paper over this. Here's the west, and it looks pretty clean. It is a cloudy day today, but we're not expecting any shading from this roof orientation. These are concrete. And to those who are curious, it is more difficult to remove the tiles as if you compare installing and removing. Removing takes probably twice or 3 times as much work. Sometimes maybe 4 times the work. walk down. Right now we're looking over the material that we'll be using to recomposition the shingles. These are GAF HD Timberline charcoal. It's a high definition shingle. You can't really tell the color, but they are charcoal. They'll be beneath their modules, and this is the underlayment. It is the infamous Tiger Paw from GAF. This is a synthetic underlayment that will cover the roof deck. So we've got one layer of paper that's already installed, possibly a second layer beneath this, and this is what's going to go over. So what this underlayment does, if you don't install this, you could see a while ago that there was some nails on the underlayment. So if there's a hole, that's a possibility of where the water can go through. This will go over that. And these are the nails to be used over the synthetic underlayment. These are cap nails. And lastly, these are the coil nails that will be used for the shingles. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys again on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.